Welcome to our journey through thermochemistry. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of energy changes in chemical reactions. By the end, you'll understand key concepts like temperature, heat, and how to predict changes in a substance's temperature using specific heat values. Ready? Let's dive in. Thermochemistry is the branch of chemistry that studies the energy and heat involved in chemical reactions. It focuses on how energy, in the form of heat, is absorbed or released during these reactions. Imagine it as the bookkeeping of energy in chemistry. Now let's distinguish between temperature and heat. Temperature measures the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance, while heat is the total energy transferred from one object to another due to a difference in temperature. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, Kelvin K, or Fahrenheit. Heat, on the other hand, is measured in joules, J, or calories, Cal. Let's relate these concepts to the states of matter using a warming curve. As a solid heats up, its temperature increases. This is where sensible heat comes into play, as it changes the temperature without altering the state. When the solid reaches its melting point, the heat added causes the solid to melt into a liquid without changing the temperature. This is called latent heat, the heat required to change the state of matter. The same process happens when the liquid boils to become a gas. To predict how the temperature of a substance changes when thermal energy is added, we use the specific heat formula, Q equals mc that del T, where Q is the heat added, m is the mass, c is the specific heat capacity, and delta T is the temperature change. By knowing the specific heat value, we can predict how much the temperature will change when a certain amount of energy is added. Next, let's talk about endothermic and exothermic reactions. In an endothermic reaction, energy is absorbed and the temperature of the surroundings drops. In an exothermic reaction, energy is released and the surroundings heat up. To determine if a reaction is endothermic or exothermic, we calculate the change in enthalpy delta H using standard enthalpies of formation. If delta H is positive, it's endothermic. If negative, it's exothermic. And that wraps up our exploration of thermochemistry. Remember, these concepts are the foundation for understanding energy changes in all chemical reactions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more educational content.